Bakit pinalitan niya?
Na,
Pangalan ko.
namin. Siya nagpalit?
Oo. Siguro chibo na.
Oo, kasi yun siya brown. Ha? Yun ang rules niya. You have to follow the teachers.
Ano?
Patas. Don't change the sentence, okay?
Bakit? Ganun talagang pangalan ko.
Yeah, maybe.
Michael, Albert Santiago.
Only then you asked him. But it's okay, maybe it's okay. Maybe
Gusto ko Michael Albert Santiago. Ayoko.
you ask permission. Isa niya. Ay, show your face. Show your face.
How are you, Miggy?
Good. Good.
How are you?
Good.
All right. You're welcome to class today. What is the topic for today? Miggy, keep that bottle somewhere. Keep that bottle somewhere. You have to concentrate right now, okay? Okay?
Why? I need make it.
After the class, you can drink, okay? Is that clear? All right?
Right.
Yeah. So what is the topic, Miggy?
Pre-algebra.
Pre-algebra.
Pre
Pre-algebra.
algebra.
Yeah, pre-algebra. So what do you think pre-algebra is all about? What can you say about pre-algebra? Yeah. Just tell me something about it. What do you know about it?
What is pre-algebra?
Yeah, pre-algebra. What do you know about it? What can you say about it?
Because I don't know.
Okay, listen. Pre-algebra, in our pre-algebra, we'll be dealing with integers. We'll be dealing with integers, okay?
Fine.
Yeah.
Fine.
We will learn about integers. We will learn about square roots. We will learn about simple equations. And we will learn about decimals and something related to that. Is that clear?
Clear.
So the first thing we will be looking at is we're looking at integers. Integers. Yeah, and to go about this, we're going to be looking at some questions about integers. Okay?
Integers.
Yes, integers. Now, let's look at example. Integers are
Fine.
numbers. They are numbers which will be positive or negative numbers. Okay?
Fine.
So, in mathematics, we say any number that is not a fraction, we call it whole number. Okay?
Fine.
And a whole number is an integer. So it can be negative. It can be positive. So an integer is a number 0, positive natural number, or a negative
Fine.
number. So if you have 0, or you have negative number, or you have a positive number, those are integers. Is that clear?
Clear.
Now, examples of operations with integers. So we're going to look at some examples now. Example 1. Just our basic operations like addition and subtraction and so on. So like we have 5 plus a negative 3. Read this.
5 plus negative 3.
Drop that bottle, boy, and concentrate, because you need to focus on this right now. So 5 plus a negative 3. Whenever you meet positive and negative, or negative and positive, you are going to perform negative for the two conditions. Okay?
Fine.
But when you meet negative and negative, and positive and positive, you are going to perform positive for the two conditions. Is that clear?
Clear.
For the first two conditions, you perform negative. For the next two conditions, you perform positive. So what condition do we have here? Is it negative and negative, or positive and positive? What do we have here?
Negative.
What do we have here, Miggy?
Negative.
No, we have positive and negative. Can I hear you say that?
We have positive and negative.
So what are we supposed to perform? Look up when you have positive and negative. What did I say you should perform? Negative. So what are we going to
Fine,
perform in this
negative.
case? Negative. So we're going to do 5
Negative.
minus 3, and that gives us 2. Okay?
Fine.
Good, good. Let's look at another example, number 2. We have 8 plus a negative 2. Now, again, we have positive and negative. So what are we going to perform?
Positive and negative.
What are we going to perform?
Positive and negative.
No, we have positive and negative. So what do we perform? Are we going to perform negative, or are we going to perform positive?
Positive.
Very good. So it's negative, not positive. It shows you are not listening to this. Do you see the one we did above? This is positive and negative, so you perform negative. Positive and negative, again, you perform negative. Is that clear?
Clear.
Look at it. I put it above for you. I said, when you have, what is this?
8 plus negative.
Positive and negative. So what did we perform outside?
Positive. Minus.
Negative.
Negative.
Good. And what is this one here? Negative and positive. So what
Negative.
are we going to perform? Negative.
Negative and positive.
And when you have negative and negative, what will you perform?
Positive.
Then when you have positive and positive, what do you perform?
Positive.
Good. So let's continue. Example 3. I have
What?
let's say example 3. I have 1. Okay, wait a minute. I just want to look at another kind of example, okay?
Okay.
So I have 3 minus positive 2. So again, what are the signs I have here? I have negative and positive. So what am I going to perform?
Negative, positive.
Yes, what I have negative and positive. So which symbol will I use outside here?
You should use negative.
Very good. So 3 minus 2 gives us 1. Okay, let's try another one. Let's say you have 5 minus negative 2.
Fine.
So what are the signs we have here?
Negative.
Negative and negative, right? So what am I going to perform outside here? What am I going to perform outside here? Am I going to perform negative? Am I going to perform positive? Which one?
Positive.
Positive, because we have 5 plus 2, because negative times negative is positive. Is that clear?
Clear.
Very good. What if I have something like -1 plus -2? So you can see 3 signs there, yes or no? Negative, positive, and negative, right? Right?
Right.
Very good. So what you're going to do, firstly write your -1, okay?
Fine.
Then compare this. This is positive and negative, so you perform negative. Is that clear?
Here.
So -2. Now, when you have a negative and 2 negatives, how many negatives altogether? That is 3 negatives, okay?
Fine.
Is that clear?
Here.
1 negative and 2 negatives gives us 3 negatives. Say that, Miggy, let me hear you. 1 negative and 2 negatives gives us 3 negatives. 1 negative and 2 negatives gives us 3 negatives. Let me hear that.
1
1 negative and 2 negatives gives us 3 negatives. Can I hear that again?
negatives.
Yes, can I hear that for the
1
last time?
negative equals 2 negative is also that 3 negative.
Hey, what did he just say? I didn't quite get that. So 1 negative and 2 negatives gives us 3 negatives, okay? Is that clear now? Miggy, are you hearing me?
1 negative
Can you hear
2.
me? Can you hear me?
Here.
Hello, let me know if you can hear me, okay?
Fine.
Can you hear me, Miggy?
I can hear you.
Very good. So let's continue, okay? Okay,
Fine.
very good. So number 6, -2 plus 5. Look at this one. We do not have 2 symbols there. We have only 1 symbol, okay?
Fine.
So we perform the positive there, but this means 2 negatives and 5 positives. What did I say? Miggy, how many negative is this? Miggy, how many negatives?
3.
2 negatives. How many negatives? 2 negatives, okay? Can you hear me now? Yeah. So how many positive can you see there? How many positives can you see?
I find you.
How many positive can you see? 5 positives.
5.
Very good. So if you use 2 negatives to cancel 2 positives, are you going to have negative remaining or positive remaining?
Positive remaining.
Very good. How many positive?
3.
Very good. This is +3, which is 3. Is that clear now?
5.
Number 7. I'm going to give you something to do. That's why I'm taking my time to explain, okay? -6, +3. How many negatives can you see here?
1.
6 negatives. 6 negatives, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many positive can you see there? How many
1.
positives? Is 3. Okay?
5.
So how many negative? 6. How many positives? 3. If you use 3 positives to remove 3 negatives, what do you have left? Is it going to be negative or positive? Miggy, sit up and look at this. You are muted. So, is it going to be negative that remains or positive?
Negative.
Why are you playing with your video? So how many negatives will be remaining now? How many negatives are remaining, Miggy?
3.
3. That is -3. Is that clear?
Fine.
Good. Let us do 3 more, then I will give you 5 questions to try, okay?
Fine.
Now, let us see -6 plus -4. -6 plus -4. Look at this, Miggy. You have 6 negative and you have 4 negative. Why did I choose minus here? Because it is minus and plus, and I have to do minus. Is that clear?
Fine.
Then how many negatives altogether? -10. Okay?
Fine.
Now let us do another one. -10 and +5. -10, +5. Okay. So how many negatives do I have there? 10. How many positive? 5. If 5 positive cancel 5 of the negatives, will I have positive left or negative? I have -5 left. Is that clear now?
Fine.
Then I move to the last example under the integers. I have -3 minus -6. Oh, let me put 8 this time around. Yeah. So, Miggy, what do you think I should do here? Tell me what to do. Miggy, speak up and tell me what to do here.
Um, um,
Yes, tell me what to do.
3 negatives.
You said it will remain 3 negatives? Or what? Look up, look at this. We have -3 and +8. If you use 3 negative to cancel 3 of the positives, I will have +5 left, okay?
Fine.
Which is 5. All right, so can I give you classwork now? Are you ready for the classwork? Miggy,
Um,
are you ready for your classwork?
yeah.
Okay,
Um,
now come and take a classwork. Question 1. So get your pencil and paper to write this down. Once you're through, you tell me your answer. Okay?
fine.
I have 8 plus -6. So you do this one. Number 2, I have 10 minus +5. Then number 3,
So.
I have -3 or -4 plus -6.
May I go on toilet?
Okay. And number 4 is here, which is -5 minus -6. And the final question there, when you come back, you see this. That is 12 minus -6. So when you come back, you're gonna do this as your classwork. Megan?
in your paper.
I write that.
Okay, so can you do the work now? All right, Miggy, can you hear me? Can you hear me, Miggy?
Fine.
Yeah, do the work now. Don't mute yourself. Let me see that you're concentrating, oh boy, okay? Now sit up and do the work. Sit up. You don't have any time to waste, okay?
Fine.
Write it out and do it.
Okay, fine.
Miggy, are you true? You are muted. Are you true?
Here.
Are you true? I can't hear you.
Please.
What did you say?
So why did you mute yourself and put off your video instead of doing your work?
I am doing my work.
Are you through with the work?
I'm doing my work.
Are you through with it now?
Yeah, I'm doing it now.
See you. You're just wasting time there. Now, what's your first answer?
First answer is 8 minus 6, 2.
That's 2. What's the second answer? Stop muting yourself and answer me. Yes, what's the second answer?
Not yet.
You see, and you were dancing, huh? You were busy dancing and jumping.
Ten minus 5 equals 5.
What's the next
Answer.
answer? Number 3. Number 3. Don't worry, Miggy. Don't mute yourself. Don't mute yourself. After the class, you will teach me that song you are singing on your video and on your audio. Got this boy. Put on your audio. Yes. What's your next answer? Miggy? Yes, what's number 3? What's your answer? What's your answer? What's your number 3 answer?
Do you know what else
Miggy, don't mute yourself and answer me. Yes, give me the 3 answers, the remaining answers. Yes.
Negative 10.
10.
Negative
Negative 10.
8.
What's number 4?
4 minus.
Number 4? Yes. Yes, number 4. Don't mute yourself. Just talk to me and give me the answer. Yes, Miggy? Unmute yourself and talk.
There's a
What's number 4 answer? Yes?
1 and 8.
What do you call number 4?
8.
8. Okay. Number 5. What do you call number 5? Miggy, concentrate, concentrate. Number 5?
Number 5. Nabababam.
Number 5.
Laming dalawa.
What's your 5th answer, Miggy? Are you true? Are you
18.
ready? What do you call it?
18.
18. Okay, let's check
18.
it together now and see. Let's check it together. You got this, you got this, you got this, but you missed this, and you got this. This is 4 out of 5.
5.
Now, let's do the correction, okay?
Okay, 5.
Which one did you miss? Read the question for me. Which one did you miss, Miggy?
Answer. I don't know.
Look at the board. Which one did you miss? You missed number 4. This is -5, negative, and -6. And this will be -5. Then, because you have 2 negatives here, you perform a positive. Okay, Miggy, you have off your video. Where's your video? Where are you? I can't see you there. And Miggy, if you have 5 negative and 6 positive, if 5 positive cancel 5 negative, you have 1 positive left. Miggy, where are you? You are not there. You're just standing and roaming about.
Okay, fine.
Okay, do you understand that now?
I understand.
Okay, so we're going to move on now. Is that clear?
Fine.
All right. We have looked at integers. Okay? Miggy, where are you? Are you there?
I'm here.
Okay, okay. So the next thing we're looking at here, apart from integers, we're going to look at fractions. Okay?
Fine.
Let's look at fractions now and say fractions. Well, talking about fraction, hello, don't mute yourself because I want to hear your response real time. A fraction consists of a numerator and a denominator, as you already know, A over B. This is
Fine.
numerator, and this is what? This is what?
The denominator.
Denominator. So,
Then what?
if you want to add fractions or you want to subtract fractions, let's look at a few examples. If you have 1 over 3 plus 1 over 6, Miggy, what will be your answer?
What? 2 over not the same denominator.
Yeah, not the same denominator. Now you're talking. So what are we supposed to do? We find our LCM. The LCM is 6. How many 3 is in 6, Miggy? How many 3 in 6, Miggy? How many 3 in 6? 3 times what will give me 6?
6.
No, 3 times what is 6? 3 times what is 6?
18.
No, 3 times what will give me 6?
18.
No, 3 times 18 can never give me 6. So 3 times what will give me 6?
2.
2. So 2 times 1 is 2. Then how many 6 is in 6, Miggy? 6 times what will give me 6?
1.
Yeah, 1. 1 times 1 above is 1. Then you have 2 plus 1, that is 3 over 6. And you can reduce it to 1 over 2. Is that clear?
5.
Okay, let's look at another example because I will give you one to try now. Miggy, I can't even see you there. You're just playing, boy. Sit up. Now, let's assume you have 2 over 5 plus 1 over 5. What is the answer, Miggy?
3 over 5.
Yeah, 3 over 5 because they have the same denominator. Let's look at number 3. If you have 3 over 8 plus 1 over 4, what will be your answer, Miggy? Miggy, stop playing with your video and audio and listen and answer me. So what will be your answer?
The answer is gonna be not the same denominator.
So what are you going to write as the answer? Do it the way I did the first one and tell me your answer. I'm waiting. Okay.
Fine.
No. Sabi ko niya, based on solve it in your paper. Solve it in your
Have you gotten your answer?
Miggy.
Have you gotten your answer?
And
You are what? You are muted and you are talking. I can't hear you. Yes? Have you gotten the answer?
not yet.
Not yet. Then what are you doing? You're just sitting and looking. Huh? Now let's do it together, okay? All right?
Okay, fine.
What's the LCM? 8, because 4 can divide 8. So, Miggy, how many 8 is in 8? How many 8 is in 8, Miggy?
1.
1 times 3 is what? 3. How many 4 is in 8, Miggy?
It's 2.
2. 2 times 1? So 3 plus 2 is what? 5 over 8. Is that clear?
5.
Now you're going to do the number 4 for me, okay? 1 over 3 plus 2 over 9. Do this one for me, Miggy. 1 over 3 plus 2 over 9. Do it and tell me your answer. Okay?
5.
Yeah.
So on your paper, you solve.
Sit right, boy, and start doing the work. You're just sitting down and, do you want to show me your leg or what? Or why are you putting legs on the table? You want to show me your legs? So, are you on it now?
Yeah.
Solve it now.
Are you on it now?
Fine. Write on your paper.
So what's your answer? Miggy, that song you are singing, you're going to teach me when we finish, okay? Are you through now?
Sure.
Don't mute yourself so I can hear you. Okay? What's your answer?
Miggy. What's your answer?
What's your answer, Miggy?
Miggy. What did you solve there?
So what's your answer?
Miggy. What's your answer, Miggy?
Have you gotten your answer, Miggy? Or you are still singing?
No, I'm getting my answer.
So what's the answer now?
Oh,
Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, okay? Yes, I'm waiting. Are you through now?
Miggy, are you done? Do you know what to answer? Miggy.
Now, Miggy, what's your answer? What did you get?
Miggy.
What did you get, Miggy? Okay. Should we do it together now?
no, we're not yet.
Okay, okay. So let me allow you to do it. But you need to learn how to walk fast, okay?
So what's your answer?
So what's your answer now?
What did you get? Miggy, what did you get?
Or we should do it together? Should we do it together, Miggy?
Miggy, what did you get? Miggy. What did you solve there? Miggy, what did you get?
Should we do it together, Miggy? I said you will teach me that song when we are through. So calm down, okay? Miggy, are you through now? Okay, let's do it together since you've been staying too long on it, okay? Is that clear, Miggy?
Wait.
I should wait?
Vô vậy. Ví dụ như trong cái
The answer is 15 over 27.
15, right?
Yeah,
Over 27?
15 over 27.
Okay, 15 over 27. Unmute yourself now. You like to play with the Zoom controls a lot. It's not a toy, Miggy, okay? Now, the LCM is 9. How many 3 is in 9, Miggy? How many 3 is in 9?
answer me.
Miggy, how many 3 is in 9?
Answer.
Miggy, 3 times what will give me how many 3 is in 9? 3 times what will give me 9? Yes, Miggy. How many 3 will you see in 9?
The answer. What are you doing? Yes, mommy.
Miggy,
What are you doing?
how many 3 is in 9, Miggy? You still off your video. Put on your video back.
Again.
You are busy playing with your video, right?
Wrong.
So how many 3 is in 9? Are you ready now? How many,
Ooh la la la.
Answer.
how many 3 in 9, Miggy?
Answer.
Three,
3, right?
Right.
Okay, fine.
Right.
So what is 3 times 1 is going to give us 3, okay?
Okay, fine.
So that means we have 3 at the bottom there. So, I mean, we have 9, so 3 here. How many 9 is in 9? That's 1. 1 times 2, that's 2. So your answer is 5 over 9. Okay?
Oh no. Oh, fine.
Listen. Give me that your answer again. Give me that your answer again. The one you got.
5 over 9.
No, the one you got. 15 over what?
27.
Now, look at it. You know why you were wrong? This answer. Hello, Mickey, stop playing with your video and listen.
Miggy.
This your answer can still be given as 5 over 9. How? Do you know how?
Do you know how the
I don't know.
Okay, now look at it. How many 3 is in 15? Hello, Mickey, listen and focus. You can divide them by 3, okay?
Fine.
How many 3 is in 15, Mickey? Mickey, how many 3 in 15?
Miggy answer.
How many 3 in 15, Mickey?
No.
If you want to divide them by 3, so how many 3 is in 15?
Now. Miggy.
How many 3 is in 15, Miggy? Yes,
Miggy.
three times what will give 15? 3 times what is 15?
Lima. Five.
Five. Now look up. This is 5 over. How many 3 is in 27, Miggy? How many 3 is in 27? 3 times what will give 27?
Eight, nine.
Nine. So can you see
It's
it's the same?
nine.
Hello. Can you see the answer is now the same?
Yeah.
So why you missed it was that you used 27 as your LCM instead of 9. So if you say 3 in 27, that's 9. 9 times 1, that's 9. And 9 here, that's 3. 3 times 2, that's what? 6. That was how you got your 15 over 27. But this is not the best method, okay?
Fine.
All right, Miggy, today we have been looking at pre-algebra, and we said it includes combination of learning about integers, the addition, subtraction, and even multiplication of integers. Then it includes fractions. You're still playing with your video instead of listening.
Miggy, listen.
Then it includes square roots, it includes equations, it includes decimals. So today we've been able to look at integers and fractions. But Miggy, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Had it been you were patient and you were listening, we would have covered 4 topics today under pre-algebra. But because you were wasting time, we were only able to cover 2. Is that proper? Answer me. Is that good enough?
No.
We're supposed to be able to do more. So tomorrow, I want you to concentrate so that we can achieve more. Is that clear?
Clear.
Aha. So now, over to you. Teach me the song you were singing. It's time for you to sing now. Sing, let me hear you.
No.
No, sing. You must sing. Now sing. Okay? Why are you looking right and left? I said you should sing. Miggy.
Oh, now you sing.
You were singing before. Now sing. I want to hear the song.
You sing. No.
Uh-huh.
Now you sing.
Okay, just sing any song you love, any song. Yes? Look at this boy. Now sing any song you like.
Dina. Now you're shy. Dina.
You see? When it was time for you to do your work, you were busy singing. Now I ask you to sing, you're looking at me. So have a nice day, Miggy, okay?
Have a nice day too.
Goodbye.